Welcome to another video of BI Artillery, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can actually connect Microsoft Copilot to your Power BI semantic model and use it as a conversational AI agent with your semantic model. Let me show you how you can do it. I'm going to choose this semantic model on which I had built my Fabric data agent. So let's just open this semantic model. So this is the semantic model. Now I see there's an option of prep data for AI. So this is your window for prep data for AI. It has three simple steps where we are going to simplify the data schema. We are going to set up the verified answers and we are going to add the AI instructions. Now let's go to the first step. This is where you tell Copilot what to ignore and what to select. My semantic model has all these tables, so I'm going to go ahead and select every table for my semantic model. Then I'm going to click on apply. And after applying, I'm going to go to the second step, which is verified answer. So let me show you how you can actually set up this verified answer step. So for this, we're going to go to our Power BI desktop and go to this three dots and go to this option where we see set up a verified answer. We're going to click on it and it's going to open the visual and a window where we can set up our phrases. Here I've got a horizontal bar chart of total revenue by stores, and here I can actually pin the specific phrases, and you can see also Copilot suggestions where it says which stores has the highest total revenue in 2016. You can also add these suggestions as phrases. So once we do that, we click on apply, and once it is done, we're going to hop back to our Power BI workspace, and then we're going to add the agent instructions. So this is the agent's instructions. While we were building Fabric data agent, we are going to copy that same instruction because it involves the same Power BI semantic model. And once it is done, I would click on apply here. So once you do that, we're going to hop to our Copilot window on the same workspace. Once it opens, I'm going to add my semantic model which I had worked on. So I go to semantic model. So this was the semantic model I've worked on, and then I can ask it any question such as what are my total revenue across all stores. Here it is. It gives you the perfect answer from your semantic model. You can also ask Copilot to create a visual for your numbers. Here it is. So Copilot has actually created a bar chart visual for our questions or queries. So that's the real setup, guys. We are not just asking Copilot a question, but three things that actually make it reliable. First is simplifying the schema so it doesn't guess across the noise. Second is pinning verified answer for the questions you already know are coming, and writing AI instructions so it understands your model in a way a new analyst would after their first week on your team. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.